It was raining for last 2-3 days, and I found that there is a fungi development in this plant. As you can see, I'll take the camera over there. You can see the fungi development down there near the rooting area. So this is due to getting overwater. The spider plants doesn't like overwatering. So I thought of showing you what I'm going to do for this as a normal fungicide. These are the signs. See this tip of the leaf getting dark brown, and the leaves are also turning yellow down there. So I'm going to now give a small treatment for the plant, that is a pinch of turmeric with some river sand. So I'm going to mix this and add it to the topsoil, because that will work as a natural remedy for this, so that the water that is too much for the plant will be absorbed by the sand, and this fungi also will be gone. So that is what I'm going to do. Now I'm going to remove these leaves out of the plant. See, so these, because of the over water they got. So add this sand and turmeric, add it around the plant. Sand is really very good. They absorb the external water that is there in the soil. So around the plant you can add. This is an old spoon. See, I'm using it in my garden. So that's what you can do. That is a good remedy for the fungi. So turmeric, we know, benefits as a natural healer. So I'll do an update as well. So thanks for